You get a triple probably, dude.
So good.
For real. Right in the way. Ah, probably disconnected. Whew, that was close. I'm gonna try to go for a front flip to back flip. Ah! I lost power. Ain't no way that's the whole battery. More speed. I want it to go higher. All around the Ooh. It's fine. The front bumper's off. At least we got the shot, we got the stunt. Finally, but the next thing, I was gonna do this originally, is just go full speed over there, put the ram somewhere here, then gap that fence. But I don't know how to get in because it's locked. So I don't want to put my car over there and then not get it back. So this one will do. I've been wanting to do that jump for a while, but now we're gonna go back to regular bashing. All right, so just a quick damage report. We broke the body post again. ESC screws came out, just put longer ones. Other than that, no arms. Actually, yeah, take that back. One rear arm, the left broke. But I'd rather have an arm brake than a shock tower or motor or ESC brake. So that's a plus to me. 3D printed parts held up great. Look at that. So I think we're gonna put this battery back on the crane so we can. Oh my god. Yeah. There you go. Oh. The wing survived. Woo! Oh. Whoa, that went the farthest one.
That was a good one.
That was the farthest one.